All right, my name is Henry Okochukwu. I am presenting this week. My topic this week in web design is web accessibility. I'll be discussing about web accessibility. And I'm going to the introduction to web accessibility. When websites and web tools are properly designed and coded, people with disability can use them. However, currently, many sites and tools are developed with accessibility barriers that make them difficult or impossible for some people to use. Making the web accessible benefits individuals, businesses, and society. International web standards define what is needed for accessibility. We're going to look down and see what are the standards of defined for web accessibility. We're going to know first what is web accessibility. Web accessibility means that website tools and technologies are designed and developed so that people with disability can use them. More specifically, people can perceive, understand, navigate, and interact with the web, contribute to the web. Web accessibility encompasses all disabilities that affect access to the web, including auditory, cognitive, neurological, physical, speech, and visual. Accessibility is important for individuals, businesses, and society. The web is an increasingly important resource in many aspects of life: education, employment, government, commerce, healthcare, recreation, and more. It is essential that the web be accessible in order to provide equal access and equal opportunity to people with diverse abilities. Access to information and communication technologies, including the web, is defined as a basic human right in the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disability. The web offers the possibility of unprecedented access to information and interaction for many people with disabilities. That is, the accessibility barriers to print, audio, and visual media can be much more easier overcome through web technologies. Accessibility supports social inclusion for people with disability as well as others, such as older people, people in a rural area, people in developing countries. Making your website accessible. Web accessibility depends on several components working together, including web technologies, web browser and other user agents, authoring tools, and websites. Many aspects of accessibility are fairly easy to understand and implement. Some accessibility solutions are more complex and take more knowledge to implement. It is most efficient and effective to incorporate accessibility from the very beginning of projects, so you don't need to go back and to redo work. Web accessibility also benefits people without disabilities. For example, people using mobile phones, smart watches, smart TVs, and other devices with small screen, different input mode, etc. Older people with changing ability due to aging, people with temporary disabilities such as a broken arm or lost glasses, people with situational limitations such as in bright sunlight or in an environment where they cannot listen to audio, people using a slow internet connection or who have limited or expensive bandwidth. There are standards for web accessibility. The which means when you talk about what is WCAG, it means the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. It is an international recognized standard created by the World Wide Web Consortium. Now, in it, we have design principles that every web designer should follow. It is into 4 places. We're going to explain more. Perceivable, the informations and user interface component must be presentable to users in ways they can perceive. Operable, user interface components and navigation must be operable. Understandable, information and the operation of user interface must be understandable. Robust, content must be robust enough that it can be interpreted reliably by a wide variety of user agents, including assistive technologies. We'll talk about now, we'll move to the number 1, perceivable. Now, in following this guideline, you need to provide text alternative for any non-text content so that it can be changed into other forms. People's needs such as large print, braille, speech, symbols, or simpler language. Provide alternative for time-based media. Create content that can be presented in different ways. For example, simpler layout without losing information or structure. Make it easier for users to see and hear content, including separating foreground from background. Operable. Make all functionality available from a keyboard. Provide user enough time to read and use content. Do not design content in a way that is known to cause seizures. Provide ways to help users navigate, find content, and determine where they are. Understandable. Make text content readable and understandable. Make web pages appear and operate in a predictable ways. Help users avoid and correct mistakes. Robust. Maximize compatibility with current and future user agents, including assistive technology. We have example of websites that implemented this web accessibility. We have Scope, Parametric.com, Kidwish, SSE Energy, BBC iPlay. When we look at this website, let's take a look at this website, Scope. Not only does Scope follow the guidelines given in WCAG guidelines on web accessibility, but the site is even customized for individual users. For example, users can change the site's color, increase the text size, or even turn on text narration to have the content read aloud. So these are examples of websites that follows the standard of web accessibility in making it interactive with the to be accessible for everybody. Now, if you look at here, talk about accessibility. Now, this is one of the sites that make use follow the standard. Let's look at uh, Kidwish to see also another website that standard guideline on making their websites accessible for everyone, both those that are that have disability. All right, this is their website.